Central tendency is the value at the middle point of a distribution. Measures of central tendency are methods to calculate the center or middle point of a distribution. The most common measures are mean, median, and mode. The mode is the value that occurs with the greatest frequency. The median is the middle point in the distribution, which is smack dab in the middle. The mean is the average score in a distribution. And here I have a picture that will hopefully help you memorize, what each and every single one of these tendencies do. It goes like this: hey diddle diddle, the median's the middle. You add and divide for the mean. The mode is the one that appears the most, and the range is the difference between. Wow. So here you see in my example 10, 21, 34, 42, 56, and the median is 34 because it's right in the middle. So my second example has odd amount of numbers. It has 9, and you can see right there I put n equals 9. N stands for sample size. So what you do when you have odd numbers and you want to pinpoint what's in the middle, what you do is you add the sample size with 1 and then divide by 2, and I got 5. So the answer for that one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 52. 52 is in the center. So last example down there, you see that I have, let's see, I have 20 numbers, so that's an even amount. When you have an even amount, you use that formula I used before. So sample size divided by 2 plus 1. And then you also use sample size divided by 2. And what you get for sample size divided by 2 plus 1 is 11. And sample size divided by 2, you get 10. So now we know that the numbers are between 58 and 60. And what you did to get the average in between that is you add 58 plus 60, and then you divide by 2. And now we know that the median for this distribution is 59. So this is a mean formula right there. X bar equals mean. Mean is just summation. Remember, like getting the average, so you're dividing by whatever value you want to find out by the total. And that little 3 symbol, a backwards 3, that is called a sigma. And basically, all it means is add, summation. That's all it means. Don't get confused by that, because you're going to be seeing that symbol a lot. And yeah. And it's the sample size. This is the easiest one, trust me. So nominal goes with mode, because mode can be very useful for dealing with categorical data. For example, if a drug dealer sells 10 different types of drugs, the mode would represent the most popular type of drug. So the median would make sense to go with ordinal, because as you remember, for ordinal, you put things in order, and for median, you put the values in order and you find out what's in the middle. And lastly, the mean is valid only for interval data and ratio data, since it uses the values of all of the data points in the population or sample. The mean is influenced by the outliers that may be at the extremes of the data set. So pause the screen and review if you need it. The standard deviation is the average amount measured in standard units in which each data score varies from the mean. So for the left one, you have an x-bar and you're looking for the mean. And in the right one, you have that little U symbol, which is called the mu. And you're looking for the population in that one. So just for the sake of keeping this video short, I'm going to have you guys pause the screen and read through the steps. So I'm going to give you a trick on memorizing positive skew and negative skew. Just imagine yourself standing on the step on the left-hand side. You always look at the left. For positive skew, if you fell off of that, you would be positively screwed. Yeah, change up the words. You'll have it memorized that way. If you stand on the step on the other side, negative one, the small one, you're not screwed at all. You're still going to be alive.